see it's pretty dark. It's not late, it's just 4:30. Yeah, and we're going home early today because apparently there is a snowstorm. Yeah, so there's a snowstorm out. We've been sent home early from work, so do not know if tomorrow will be any work because it's a lot of yellow amber warning on the weather forecast, and a lot of places are closing pretty early today. Hi guys, so we're home now. Yeah, it's raining outside. Trust me, it is pouring down and it is freezing. My goodness. So Storm Goretti, yeah, that's the name of the storm that is coming. So Storm Goretti is expected to be here tonight. It had started, is it a he or she? I don't even know, but anyway, it's called Goretti. Okay, so Goretti, is that a male name or a female name? Comment down below. I don't even know. I will have to go back on the news and listen and go back online and see what it is. Okay, but yeah, we're home now, so I'm gonna turn on the heating, get the house warmed up, and get out of my work attire. Okay, my work attire. My hair is wet. Don't mind my hair because see, my coat is wet. I have to take it off and hang it up on the radiator. Wet coat. Yeah, so don't mind my hair. It got wet and the curls just blew out. Okay, right, so gonna get something to eat and you know, do what I need to do this evening, and then before you know it, it's bedtime, and we'll update you on what is happening with the storm tonight into tomorrow morning. It is expected to be snow, and for now it seems as if it's rainfall, heavy rainfall. Maybe later on tonight there will be snow, so let's see. I will be looking out throughout the night, checking the camera to see if it has snow or if it hasn't snow. Okay, and we'll show you what that looks like. All right, so I'm gonna make my way upstairs now. Today is day 4. Yeah, today's day 4 of the building work that is taking place upstairs. The bathroom is getting done. Okay, so today is day 4, and hopefully if tomorrow the storm is not too horrendous and they're here to work, then I'll show you what will take place on day 5. All right, so currently we're on day 4 of the construction. All right, so let me show you what has been happening so far. Day 2 of the work. So today the fan section was being done. Okay, bath pipes were installed. See, and I got my niche, or whatever you call it. Okay, recess, whatever. Okay, so I've got 2 of them. I'm gonna be having 2 of them Okay, and then here's the cupboard again, pipes underneath, so it's the pipe work there. Come in the room here for the shower and the lower pipe for the bath. So it's coming along, it's coming along, it's coming along. So we just have to work with how it is for now until we have a bathroom again. Day 3 of the building work. So as you can see, the toilet has been relocated to this position. Okay, before it was here, now it is here. Pipe work, more plastering, fan all and electrical wire done. Shower pipes again, lower pipes.
Hold on. Oh man. No string.
So as you can see, to my surprise, there was no more strings in the bathroom to be pulling on in order to turn on the light. And this is the reason for my reaction. I was so gassed because of this. Okay, so excited. I wanted spotlights in the bathroom, and now I've got the spotlights up. So as you can see, the spotlights were done. I've got 4 of them, and now the switch for the bathroom is now on the outside wall, so we do not have to be using a string anymore to turn the light on as it was previously. Okay, so I was so excited, and as you can see, on day 4 lights were done. Okay, I think a bit more plastering was done as well, and the toilet was also boxed in. The piping for the toilet was boxed in, and there was also another electric wire that was also installed, and that will be for, not gonna let the cat out of the bag yet, but when it's complete you will see what it is for. Okay, if you know, then you know. Guys, the snow is here. All right, I'm gonna go outside to pull my bin in because the bin collectors did not come to collect them. So because of the storm that is coming, The rain was falling when we were on our way home. Now, when I just look outside, it has started to snow. All right. So let's show you what's happening outside. All right. So I'm going to pull my bins in so that they don't get blown away. All right. So don't mind the rubble. This is all the things that has come out of the old bathroom. Okay. See? Snow on the ground. Let's go back inside.